quantifying it right, mastering many, much, few, and little. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to explore an important part of English grammar, quantifiers. Specifically, we'll focus on many, much, few, and little, and their critical role in crafting meaningful sentences. Let's dive in. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before a noun to show how much or how many of something we're talking about. They help to give more information about the quantity of the noun. Examples of quantifiers include words like all, some, many, few, a lot of, a little, and so on. Today, we'll focus on many, much, few, and little. These quantifiers play a crucial role in sentences, and understanding them can help you express yourself more accurately. Let's start with many and much. Both of these quantifiers are used to show a large quantity of something, but they are used in different contexts. Many is used with countable nouns. For example, there are many books on the shelf. Much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, there is not much sugar left in the jar. Now, let's move on to few and little. Both of these quantifiers are used to show a small quantity of something, again, in different contexts. Few is used with countable nouns. For example, there are a few apples left in the basket. Little is used with uncountable nouns. For example, there is little water in the glass. Remember, few and little indicate a smaller quantity than many and much, respectively. The role of quantifiers in sentences is essential because they provide context and clarity. Without them, sentences can be vague and confusing. For example, compare these sentences. 1. I have books. 2. I have many books. The second sentence gives us more information about the number of books. This is the power of using quantifiers. They allow you to express precise quantities and add clarity to your sentences. So, as you continue your English language journey, remember to use many, much, few, and little appropriately to accurately depict quantities in your sentences. And that's a wrap on today's lesson on quantifiers. We've explored many, much, few, and little, and their pivotal role in sentences. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to express quantities and improve your sentence clarity. Keep practicing, and remember, every little bit of progress counts. Until next time, happy learning!